What's up, guys? Your boy the guy, and I'm back here again with another video. So today's video we're gonna be doing probably like a 20 minutes video, maybe. You know, quick video. It's not gonna be too long, but we're gonna be installing the tower brace from TV Performance on it. I'm gonna show the product to you guys in a minute. Do I have the bar? Oh, you got the black piece out. Oh, it's in here. Okay. I'm like, what? I hope I brought it. But anyway, so we're gonna cut through my chassis, the tower part of it, where the suspension mounts to, you know. We're going to be cutting it with Milwaukee this is a 3x1/8, which is a 79 millimeter, and we got a little drill. I'm here with my man Dalton, so this machine was actually $32. Yeah, something like that. We're going to be drilling to it. All you need is just this little kit. I'll put the kit down in the description below for you guys if you guys want to do the same thing. All you do is just go here, drill it, and then you'll be able to adjust your camber, your dampening, everything. The only thing that sucks about this is that your stock cowl won't go back on it.
Yeah.
You know, because the design on it won't go back on it. I couldn't make a video of us taking everything apart, so I'm sure you guys be able to figure it out. So hope you guys enjoy this video. We're going to cut through it, and I'm going to get this little B-roll. Alright, so what we're doing right now is we're taking the strut brace. What is this called?
The hood strut.
The hood strut out. You know, I did this install, man. I forget what the fuck it's called. We're taking the hose strut out. Then we can have, like, easy access to it, you know what I mean, without our hand hitting this part of it. So, all you have to do is, if you don't have a hose strut, obviously your hood is going to open a little bit more because you're going to have the hood pop or whatever. Whoa.
Oh, you get... It actually popped out quick. Quicker than I thought.
So, yeah. What are we going to use to hold? You got a stick or something like that? I'll hold it. So, yeah, so that's what we're doing. We're taking it apart. Then we can get here and cut it, you know what I mean? Because we was about to start cutting it, but it wasn't doing what it's supposed to do. It's too long? Alright, so I respect Nick is here. He's going to help me get this done. We did it the first time. We failed. The machine actually broke. So I'll cut it again and see if it will actually work this time. He's going to be doing a recording while I cut it, so I'm not holding it. Be good. Alright, so.
Just getting hot.
Oh, it is cutting.
Yep, so it's basically cutting at the angle now. So it's trying to cut the top portion.
Alright, boys, so I actually got this cut really clean. So with a TV Performance, what you have to do is you have to put the top plate, you have to mount the top plate on it, tighten with, like, secure with, like, 3 different bolts, you know, and just get you a Dremel and just drill the fuck out of it, you know what I'm saying? And I mean, a drill and just drill the fuck out of it. And I drilled it, it came out pretty, like, circular, and it's good right there. And if you look at the side that we were doing without the drill, it's all jumpy, you know what I'm saying? You could tell it from the spots that I jumped, you know what I mean? But it's still rigid because it's double plated here. As you can see, there's a plate on top and there's the main chassis itself. But it's double plated underneath it. That's why it's a little hard to cut. We're going to do the same thing we did to the other side here. Nick is going to help me cut it. Y'all go subscribe to the next channel, man. He's growing. He's almost at 3,000 subscribers, bro. Soon, bro. He's almost at 3,000. He does a lot of Genesis and other crazy car content. He has a Subi that's going to be on the channel soon. You guys go check it out. But, yeah. So, he's helping me out real quick, you know. Thanks to Dalton for letting me use his garage and having even Nick over. I appreciate it, you know what I'm saying. But, anyways, we're going to finish this shit up. Nick is going to help me cut it, and we're going to get straight into this shit. Alright, buddy, so I'm going to explain exactly what the fuck you need to do before you end up like me, you know what I'm saying? You need to watch this video, bro, if you're going to do this shit. So basically, what you have to do is, you have to get the plate part of the TV Performance shit, and then you're going to tighten it up with some screws and bolts, you know, and some washer, you know, just to have it sit flush a little bit. I'm gonna tighten it up, not right now, but, you know, it's a little, it's dancing in here a little bit, you know what I mean? So once we're done with that, we're going to put the drill, and we're gonna drill through this bitch, and it's gonna cut through, and it's gonna get a perfect fit without you having to get all these shiny parts like I made a mistake and did, you know. just a heads up, man. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Make sure you like and subscribe to Nick's channel. You know what I'm saying? He's almost at 3,000 subscribers. You guys go support him, bro. Alright, so Nick is gonna go ahead and tighten this for me real quick, because while we were doing it, that's probably why I wasn't cutting then.
It kept on slipping out.
Yeah, it kept slipping out. So he's gonna tighten it. Boom. There we go. So Nick got it tightened up. We're gonna go back again. I'm gonna link all the stuff that we got. You good? We're gonna link all the stuff that we got to use to do this thing. You know what I'm saying? So you guys don't have to struggle like me. We're gonna give this another try. Look, let me see how it's cutting it. So this part is pretty deep, but this part isn't. So you gotta cut it at an angle. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, let me loop it.
Start pulling it to the left.
I have to bite open one of these. So. Yeah. Alright, let's cut it. Remember they have to. You good? You good?
Yeah.
You didn't hurt yourself, right? Alright, alright. Ooh, look at that smoke! Sheesh! Y'all, look at this smoke, bro. Ooh, that looks cool, though. Yeah. Alright, boys. So, basically, we got the top piece plate on. We got the windshield part on. There's a lot of metal shavings in here. I'm going to wash it. I'm going to get all that stuff out. Now, we can adjust the camera and everything now, since everything is out now, you know. Thank God. But it was easy. If you do what I tell you to do, it's going to take you like the most an hour. But if you don't, you did the way I did, and I had to go run to the store and stuff like that from breaking the drill bit, it's going to take you probably like another 4 hours. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, we got it in. So it should be easy on the other end. Throw this in. So I'm going to tighten this up a little bit. Just get the bolts to hold on. And I'm going to move there and do that part too. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do, obviously you're going to tighten these bolts. You know? And then you're going to put this, what is this called again? This big old hoop looking thing? Something. It's called something.
It's like a bushing.
So you put that on there. It goes nut, that, washer, and then that, you know? And boom, it goes on it. We're going to adjust the TV performance bar itself. It looks black. It looks pretty cool. I like it. I mean, that's why I got it. And I got it so I can get access to this and then mess with my camber, all that stuff, you know, if I have to, if I want to. And yeah, so. Oh, so you're going to put that on first?
Yeah, that way one end's already in.
Okay, bet. So, yeah, so he's going to put that on first, and then one end is going to be in it, and then he's going to do that, you know? Makes it easier for him. Yeah, it's weird, yeah. I was about to say, it goes in a weird way. Wait, there's a washer here. Hold on, I forgot. Alright, boys, so we finally got this thing back together, bro. After 3 hours for me. Like, how many hours did I work with you? Like, 2?
It was about 2.
2 hours, 3 hours almost. This thing is back together, looking good, clean. You can still see the little under there a little bit. We'll find out how loud the intake gets after we turn the car on. I'm going to have Nick back the car out, then I can direct him side to side, you know. So, sheesh, I'm tired, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. More content for you guys, man. I need 300 people to subscribe to the channel. We can hit 1,000 fucking subscribers, man. We can just go to the moon. You know what I mean? And more content is gonna come. I have a second car that I'm actually like really planning on getting it soon if I can find a good deal on it. You know what I mean? I've been talking to a couple dealers and stuff like that. So if I do get a good deal on it and it comes live, we're gonna have a second car on the channel and we're gonna be booming out here. You hear me? So I hope you guys enjoy the content. Make sure you like, subscribe, share the video with your friends and your family. Catch you guys in the next episode. Hold on. God, that car sounds good. It looks good. Everything about the car looks good. So I'm gonna have Nick back up straight. Yep, turn. Straight, 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 straight. Yeah. Turn. Straight, straight. Are you good? Straight. Straight. Yeah. Boom. Good. You go. Woo. That car sounding crazy. So I'm done with those garage. I'm gonna make sure I clean everything. Tomorrow morning when I come back, these are the pieces that we cut out. So it was sitting exactly like this, and this piece was like this. Boom. So we cut out these pieces and stuff like that. This is gonna go in the trash. I'm gonna come here early in the morning and clean it up and make sure everything is good. The next time if I ask to use his garage, he's gonna let me.